Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Smart Programmer. I hope you all are fine. Today I'm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to create an audio captcha or a sound based captcha. So if you're getting a little bit confused about this video, so I'll explain each and everything to you, so you have to watch the video till end. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. So without any further delay, let's jump into the main video. So what is captcha? CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. So there are basically three types of CAPTCHAs. Number one is text-based CAPTCHA. Number second is image-based CAPTCHA. Number third is sound-based CAPTCHA. And today we are going to program for the sound-based CAPTCHA. So CAPTCHAs are the tool you can use to differentiate between the real users and automated users, such as the bots. So CAPTCHAs provide challenges that are difficult for the computers to perform but are relatively easy for the humans. Now another question arises that why we are going for the sound-based CAPTCHA in nowadays, because the sound CAPTCHA or the audio CAPTCHA is little bit difficult than the text-based or image-based CAPTCHA. Because in this kind of CAPTCHA, the user must have to listen the sound or the audio very carefully and have to identify the words from the garbled voice. Okay, now let's move to the coding part. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the CAPTCHA library. So for that, we have to click on the terminal and you just have to type pip install CAPTCHA and hit the enter button. So you can see that successfully installed the CAPTCHA 0.3 version. So now let's move back and import the library from captcha.audio import audio captcha. So this is how you can import the audio captcha package. And now we are going to create an instance of the audio. So for that I am creating an instance audio and then audio captcha. Just I am calling the class of the audio captcha. Now I am giving the text for the captcha, which is a specific now I am giving a text for that captcha, which is a specific text. So let's type here text captcha, and it should be anything like 1011101. So this is the secret text which the user has to identify while listening the audio. And now we have to generate the audio for that particular captcha. So create another instance audio captcha is equals to audio dot generate and pass here this instance which is text captcha or object. So text captcha. Now moving on to the final step, we have to specify the name of our file and also path if you can, but if you do not want to specify any path, then it's okay. So for that I'm using this instance like audio dot write, and then I'm using this captcha text captcha, and now I have to specify the name of my audio file, anything like I'm typing here audio, and I have to pass here the extension which is WAV. So now let's run it and check whether it's working or not. So you can see here this is the file which is audio.wav, and let me show you in the directory. So this is the name of my directory and this is the audio.wav. Okay, now I am playing this audio for you. It might be audible to you. So as you guys have noticed that the audio was totally garbled and ununderstandable. So that's why sound-based captchas are introduced to make it difficult for the robots to identify, because the different websites did not allow the bots to use their websites. So that's why we use captchas, and I hope this video was quite helpful to you and knowledgeable. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So bye for now, take care, and Allah Hafiz.